How to export chat on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to export chat on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and let's go back first and click these 3 points in the top corner and then click settings, and here we'll find chats, and after you click on it, just scroll down. You need to find this one, chat history, and click on it. And here all you need to do is just click export chat, and after you click on it, just select any chat you want and you can export it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.